Hey guys, this is Insane Umbria, and this is my dog Raven. She lives at my dad's house, and I'll hang out with her most of the time. She's a lab mix, and she's 6 years old. Right? Right, Raven? Hey. She knows I have treats. This is the kind of treats she likes. Sausage. Dog treat sausage. Hey, don't knock none of the beer bottles down. So I'm going to show you one of the tricks that she knows. I taught her 1. No, 2. I taught her 2. Roll over, Raven. One more. Roll over. Good girl. It's kind of weird how she eats. Kind of weird. Huh? Look at her eating. It's so funny. Huh? Raven, you're a klutz. It means you're funny, huh? You're a big clown. Raven, sit. Sit. I said sit, not roll over. Sit. Oh, there you are. I didn't see you sit. High five. No. High five. Good girl. She can give you high fives as well. There you go. Ah! Can you shake? Shake, Raven. Good girl. And there's another thing she will do, but she won't do it for a treat. She'll just do this randomly when I play basketball. Oh my gosh, you got a lot of seeds on you, don't you? Come on, Raven. She loves to play basketball a lot. And when I brought her home, I saw her playing the basketball, and she loves playing this basketball a lot. You guys don't believe me? You'll get to see her play basketball. What? Sure, in a minute. That was my dad, huh? Raven, look, I got the basketball. Watch. She'll just randomly play the basketball. Well, show everybody that you can play basketball. The internet wants to see you play basketball. Fine, I'll get started for you. She always waits for me to get started for her. And when I try to take it, she'll mostly try to carry it. Raven, I can get the ball from you. I can get the ball. Stupid mosquito. There's mosquitoes at my house, at my dad's house. I think everybody thinks you're cute now because you play the basketball all the time. Look at her being fierce. She loves basketball. Raven, I can get the ball from you. Whoa! See, she's like a ninja. Watch. She'll randomly jump and try to get the ball from me. I'm gonna throw it here. Raven, bring the ball here. Bring it here. Fierce. Fierce girl. She likes to pretend that she's fierce. And she loves to play fetch as well. This ball right here. It's her favorite color. Huh? Ready? Go get Raven! I'll throw it one more time for you, Raven. And I got it in the video because I might run out of minutes. And this camera, guys, has like about 60 minutes you can do on this one with the flip cam. I noticed that when you get this camera. And it does have a memory card slot in it, so I know how to get videos uploaded from this camera. So that was it, guys. That was my dog Raven. If you have any questions about her, feel free to ask. Bye, everyone. Raven, say bye. She's just focusing on a truck. Raven, look. Say bye, everybody, to the internet. Raven. Okay, you're just being a little spoiled. See you guys on my next vid.